Welcome to my 991 GT3. This is my car we're doing some upgrades on, but it's our demo car as well, so it's here for you to come down and check out. But I'll just run you through some of the upgrades we're doing. My car from factory came with silver headlights. I'm changing for two reasons. One, I want to change to the black headlights, which I'll show you, but also the lenses have got some damage and they do crack and wear. However, they're not new headlights, they're original set of headlights refurbished. So, this is the light if you compare the difference. The black and the silver difference. These were a silver set that have been refurbished in the black with brand new lenses on it. They're a fraction of the cost of a new headlight. We can change and upgrade or restore your original lights with new lenses on 997 Gen 2, 991s, 981s, 718s, Macans and Cayennes, and actually Panameras as well. So, for example, I think a headlight for one of these, £1,500 roughly. The pair restored £895. So as you can see, a massive saving. Very easy to do. They come sent out, and all you need to do is swap your auxiliary components and your ballast off the back of the lights. It's not just these lights; they do PDSL lights as well. So it's the whole range. One other thing we've done is refurbish the wheels in Aurum Gold. I quite like them with the agate grey colour of the car. I think they suit it. Will I change them again? Maybe, but that's the joys of having the option to upgrade them or change the colours. Really lovely. For a bit of convenience inside, I like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So we can do an upgrade to the original PCM unit that's there. We take the unit out, put a new board inside it and some other boxes behind the kit, and that will give it a full Apple CarPlay or Android Auto solution. Just modernises the cabin. I find it quite ironic how something so simple can actually modernise the cabin. Again, a nice cost option, gives you the original OE look of the car as well. Next upgrade, which is probably my favourite out of all of them, is one of our 991.1 GT3 and actually 997.2 GT3, same exhaust. Delete pipe for the rear. This one's titanium, hence the colouring. We do a stainless steel one, which is much cheaper than the titanium, but this was our first development one, and we've used it on a couple of test cars, but it's actually going on my car. So, like I said, if you want to see any of these products in person and touch them and look at them, then the car is often here. Just give us a call and pop over and see us, and we'll be happy to show you. One other thing just to add very quickly, if you do go with the delete pipe and you'll worry about noise for track days, we do actually make a set of bolt-on tips for this same delete pipe as well, that again will act as a dampener to bring your noise levels down, so we can get over noise regulations at track days. But like I say, it's my GT3, which I love. It's here if you ever want to come down to see it and look at the upgrades.
Hello, I'm Adam, and I'm just going to show you how to take the front headlights out of a 991 Gen 2. So first of all, you've just got to take this little compartment out, and the tool is in this little box toolkit. You want this long tool here, and it's the bottom flap behind the toolkit there. Just turn it to the back of the car, and then the headlight pulls out. And I'd advise using a pick just to take the connector off there. So that's the LED HID ballast pack. So we've just changed the 2 ballast packs on the headlight unit from the original one here onto our upgraded dark lensed unit here. As we see, it's all put back together and ready to go back on the car. All done.